The smooth white film is printed with eye-catching images and information. The bag sizes are cut with high precision, then sealed with heat to create complete bags. Automation technology has completely changed the sugar bag packaging production process. Thanks to the automatic system, all steps from printing to sealing the bag are carried out, so each bag contains the essence of science and technology. The transport and canning line is completely automatic like a hard-working bee, working tirelessly non-stop. It transports products from one stage to another quickly and efficiently, just like a bee moves from flower to collect honey. Beautiful golden croquettes that I can't resist. Taking a bite, the delicious flavor spreads in my mouth, making me extremely excited. The perfect combination of crispy crust and filling inside creates an unforgettable culinary experience. Entering the heat press machine, the soft dough blocks are gradually transformed into flat cakes. The baking system, with carefully controlled temperature, helps the cake cook evenly from the inside out. Finally, the cooling fan gently removes the cakes from the oven, ready to be delivered to consumers. The block divider plays a key role in the industrial bread production line, responsible for dividing the dough into parts of uniform, accurate size. Thanks to the efficient operation of the block dividing machine, level up your production productivity with this large industrial model. With the ability to produce from 2,500 to 5,000 products per hour, with an advanced automatic weight control system. Are you looking for a powerful and efficient industrial solution? This large industrial model is the perfect answer for you. Are you a fan of sweet cakes? Do you love the rich taste of chocolate? Then you can't miss this delicious chocolate cake. The golden, fragrant crust embraces the soft, creamy chocolate filling. Bakery machines and equipment are tools used to process ingredients and shape bakery products. Among them, horizontal slicers play a key role in creating beautiful, uniform slices of cake. etc. for primary or secondary packaging. PetPoint's high-speed smoked meat stacking and packing service increases productivity, reduces labor, and ensures quality. With the ability to reach speeds of up to 120 sheets per minute, the PetPoint system handles more smoked meat than any other automated packaging solution. This is a high-speed, fully automated portioning and loading solution for fresh minced meat and sandwich bread. Their precision packaging technology weighs and portions products like minced meat. Discover one of the latest innovations in the food industry: high-speed, high-capacity packaging systems, combining the newly launched TX730 tray sealing machine and the GMS 1600 portioning system, suitable for various product applications, from beef and pork to turkey. Meat grinding and packaging at Specialty Food Australia. Specialty Food Australia utilizes Multivix food packaging solutions for meat grinding. The final product looks delicious, and the production process is clean. Everything is neat and tidy. I love crab, but I like this crab too. The taste for white or brown eggs in your country or color doesn't matter. I can see them working hard to make delicious and hygienic rice cakes. I think it's really great. Please leave us the first comment. Since it's a small business, I thought it would be hard, but the process is very hygienic, so I will buy it safely. It's funny that the snack is actually cleaner, and its production environment is clean.